Good morning students. Hope all are doing well. In this class, we will discuss the chapter, the sentence. I know all of you are already acquainted with the chapter. Then also we will go for a quick recapitulation so that you can decipher all the points and everything in detail. Before we proceed, let me ask you a few questions. We will have a comparison between column A and B. Okay, so let us have a comparison. As we can see, column A and B, both the columns represent groups of words. Okay, but there is some difference. Let us find out together. First, Rachana school. Then in column B, Sri Lanka is an island. Column A number 2, when the grasshopper. Column B number 2, Minu has 3 t-shirts. Column A number 3, likes brother cold coffee mine. Column B number 3, where is Nagaland? So did you find any difference? We can see all 3 groups of words in column A are meaningless. And all the groups of words in column B make sense. So what is sentence, students? Sentence is a group of words that makes sense. It has a unity, it stands independently and expresses a clear meaning. So we have learned this is sentence. Let us write. Sentence is a group of words that makes sense. It stands independently and has a unity. It expresses a clear meaning. Yes. So we can say sentence must contain a action word, that is a verb. It should also contain a subject, that is the doer of the action. It must include an object. An object is what? That is a thing or a person that undergoes the action. So for example, we can have an example like cheetahs chase deer. So tell me, what is the subject here? That is cheetahs. So it is the doer of the action. Chase. This is the action word, that is verb. And here it is the object which undergoes the action. Understood? Sometimes it may not contain an object. For example, cheetahs run fast. Here you can see subject is there, action or verb is there, but no object. Okay? Then also it is making sense. Sentences begin with capital letters and it will end with full stop or exclamation mark or interrogative mark. So let us discuss certain groups of words and let you identify whether they are sentences or not. Swimming is a good exercise. Tell me, is this a sentence? Yes, it is a sentence because it contains all the feature of being a sentence. And it ends with a full stop also. It is making a concrete sense. Now, another group of words, that is plastic cups. So, you tell me, plastic cups, is this a sentence? No, it is not at all a sentence because it does not make a complete sense. After reading the group of words, we are not satisfied with its sense because it is incomplete. Another one, wet and green lawn. Is this a sentence? No, it is also not making a proper sense. We have some queries still there in our mind. Then, Grace is 17 years old. Now, yes, it is a sentence. It has all the characteristics of being a sentence. Now, let us discuss the types of sentences. There are 4 major types. Let us discuss in detail. First is declarative sentence. So, declarative sentences often say something, only say something. These sentences are followed by a full stop. For example, Charles Dickens was a famous British novelist. Right? So, we can see it tells us something and it is followed by a full stop. Then comes interrogative sentences. It often asks a question. So, ask a question and ends with a question mark. For example, who left the fridge open? Yes, it is asking us a question and it ends with a question mark. There are some other types also. Third is what? Imperative sentences. Imperative sentences give us a command or an advice. Command or advice also can make a request. Often the sentences end with a full stop and sometimes with an exclamatory sign. Example, let's go home. So we can say it can be an advice, it can be a suggestion, okay. Then the fourth one, that is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences show strong feelings. It ends with an exclamation mark and they often begin with what, how, like this. For example, how clever the king's ministers are. Ends with an. So these are 4 major types of sentences. You will get the material there in study material section. A worksheet is also given in the worksheet section. Go download that and please try to solve on your own. Do not take any such help. In the next class, I will solve the answer. Okay. Hope this class was beneficial to you. If you have any query, please do write in the comment section. I'll solve all the queries. So, do revise well. Try to solve all the questions. Read the chapter. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay at home. We'll meet in the next class. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.